Hi there, Nancy Reeves here, your fundraising coach. I've been getting questions from fundraisers, wondering what kind of results others have received from my course, Your Ultimate Guide to Major Gift Fundraising. So here's what I did. I gathered the results of several students who implemented the strategies taught from the course. Listen to these. I'll start with Sabrina. She was a nonprofit board chair whose board brought in a $100,000 gift within 2 months of using the strategies taught in the course. Sabrina shared with me the information, tools, and philosophy have been a game changer for her and is making a tangible difference at her nonprofit. Another student to get huge results is nonprofit executive director Chris Komnick. In less than 6 months and amid the pandemic, Chris brought in a new gift of $75,000 and is reporting the highest giving levels in the past 5 years. Get this, they are setting record levels for the entire 83 history of their organization. And last, if you are new to fundraising or never considered how to ask for large gifts, be inspired by Candace Lee. She walked into a new position with no donor database and no donor giving history documented. After applying the strategies and using the samples from the course, she secured the largest gift ever in her career. She simply followed the path offered in this course. Maybe you're like Candace and you've thought about enhancing your fundraising skills only to get sidetracked. So, to raise significant funds for your organization and advance your career, you want to focus on what brings big results. Join me in my online course, Your Ultimate Guide to Major Gift Fundraising, and let me show you how to bring in large gifts. Don't miss out while the doors are open. Click the link to check out all the details, but hurry, this special offer disappears in a few days. Get the limited one-time offer now while it is still available. I look forward to having you inside the course.